This is the package from Do It Yourself Auto. Thank you guys for sending me this and taking your time to send it from all over the states, the United States to Romania. This is a nice t-shirt with Do It Yourself Auto badge for your doityourselfauto.com. A gift card. I'll have to see for what is this for. Showcase your ride, scan and connect. Links to your vehicles and profile, custom QR logo made for you. These are real nice. Thank you so much. Order flyers. Another nice flyer. This is air freshener. Another one. And some refrigerator magnets and 2 stickers. 1 refrigerator magnet and 2 stickers. Many thanks guys for letting me have this. Wish you all the best. Visit my YouTube channel Alex Andrei Zar on youtube.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye.